in the taxi cab, so I'm going to go and speak to them, and we'll take it from there. Good morning, Uncle Kwesi. Good morning.
Morning.
Yes, Uncle Kwesi, Anape, you seem to be a hero. Why?
Like, many pen that's my pensuwe to me with Rasa. Many that.
Pocho, me pede be ya di biamam. Tramumfunyin kakra. The damadi osi mimi the name be. Before ever for the me passenger no. In the dream then. Oh, me tired night.
That time me and no omunya. Omunya can you see fee crab me deck craft. That was his name same to can. Some man. The fair drop and shot. Yeah, then to can fan.
Only first dropping a fan what Malata ain't crying.
Teshi.
Mopocho HRJ
40 cities.
Akade ni juma no munye day no. Nti na rehwe kwan de invitation bra no na bibi basesa.
Oh. No just invitation baba the mere passengers. Our benzi no like
nti invitation bra no enya passenger.
Oh, mere passenger me no invitation kakra na me say ba
Malata
back to Newtown.
Ma me hwade mpocho hour.
Mpocho hour.
Wombahi.
Mama mensa.
Passengers na efa one day no. Ibiara nka ncho de bibi da waka no mu.
Oh da baby.
Inti abra time in ehu de bibi da waka no mu.
12 a.m.
Ehu no na oyo de oya abade.
Nam de ntomago.
Oya ntomago. Inti efa na ehu de sika no wo me no. Ebadi na edi kan ye.
Oh. Mugbe mu hwe iska na na meden mommoy share milita bosim.
Hey. Waduna ye ode pon edwuma na kofie koda.
Never like me say adna mafun anyamede o say the go back.
Ebadi na ehia sika.
Oh, minyeska. Ze mi edwuma edna minyeska.
Onu nyima odika na ibi weja na ade wo kalem.
Da be kofi jo phone som kam.
Na ibija ne na ade wo no phone na e ne den.
Oh, frappe. Nam da ko. Ofo ochi be o pe. No, okay. Mo haisi zimba. Mo.
Anka kweso mpocho na phone na ade wala ehia bi.
Oh, me phone this for me use yam.
I mean, who phone na e use no ni? Ninti se meja midi oye iPhone ni meja no call ma jama de babram. Ba internet babram.
Dem se me edma me ska mutuma automation sa. New mode the phones new version new way tap eba. Zimi se mutuma automation.
Ma menhwe nti sisia ehu sika no na afa passengers anye wadwen de ibotum aye ibia ne di nti ma wa ba no no twa de awuso etu ne hu because afa passenger kro ebien ebasa obotum aye won me biala ne di.
Oh, enem adna enem no obo ho the bibi like adia I just say e bidi wo ho so wo do ko
na abade no wo
enem sent no wo ho
ma me ifa not nam
bocha
nti ihu de me no iye ba dwen de bokwa akaman
bocha
ma membra wa abrebom biom idu baby a amanfu susu de itu ade hu a oyewode nti itumi fa nanso ibi muso wadwen de bibi ti da sika na nyama ifa badan bobai badan baye badan banchi obese wa abrabo bibi da mba wutim.
Oh, shamba mtrim ndi adam afan ayamedi nko ade o se medoko
me pocho ekwa asori wen
mo kwa sure self Pentecost yameti ase
ma menhwe nti ehu sika no afa andwin de na nti sedzoko na nyimpa no ye ne de no wa amu bia abokawo ato ahye wo petro egu.
Oh, manjo kra
ma menhwe adi ede sika no ede okode ne fie ho idu fie ho aba asamisi.
Oh, enije ma menije pa this can madam main this can nature ne man fan ba na mutum this can our brain ninaji
ebo wo yama na dey to scale hu wo ka
and the first person come me and send the meeting hu ba hu motu na anya dey
ebo wo yama na dey to scale hu ina san ka che nde etu ni hu na so onya wo dey e bad no ka che
that's said no dey ediko
wo yeso ka che oda wo ko odi we che kwai
oh man na ko bi
na mum oji di dey de bokon so
oji se me de bokon
edi ko du fie na edi ma me no abasam no ka che
oh ademasi ozi ya min shram ademasi papa
muhun wo social media ma me ni fiefo wo rusun waaso na rusun bi ba ntine sun
ayo no like I'm minute 10 ma me ko no osun what if Saturday abe me so an osun was like church shows you cry god that like because it's going to obobobu and
mapocho mamenko empress ba ko pe ho na masana ba ho mame isima be ye bi ni bi. I'm going to go over to Empress who is managing Kwesi account for us is seated on the other side of the taxi. Me Empress ba ko pe morning
obe ma ko me
eradadom Empress eba ne say na fe uni Kwesi na namu
nyame because I came into the picture or written in Sikano. Wow, she senior arehoni bibia ye na me ye ne say no be me or ye nipa because me share the taxi near dada omo share se live or TV so no taxi no dada eno na ye timu sisi yi ena ono nso no uhu na onye obi a wa hia da so enti na me dwen ho se no meta boa nkrofo ema omoko omanim ewo niama same. Why is it that on case is very different? And I may take a video ne up na me ye and say okay me man go viral. Enti minimum crofo kakra wo media nimu UTV OKFM ne ade home base TV na Asempa FM ne ade so me ne omo kasa na me ka show omo sempa omo cho omo mboa me ni so ade hu ne se meboa no na ebia nyame na me no so no oboa na ebia me nso me de ne be kɔ enim
me da se anamompa mame nsan kɔ Kwesi hobio. So we're going back to Kwesi Uncle Kwesi ya abo hobio obi bakade de me nyame yenya yewie ebade potin na ohye wo nkunan na eye wadwen de de miskede wo ye ne den kra mamfa meteboko
azeshim kwampa se kristo ni de odo ayem obobatini wo wadia wo yesu ozo hu se yonyame bi ma ofata yonyame bi ofata o kristo ni de wo ya de odo mo yasifu hu se ampa afi kristo ni so yame
nti wo kristo som no hye wo nkran na o mama eye no anko sisia Ghana ha biara bibi ho a wo di nkoma na pe ya wombo within Matt there was a vice president and so what within more wa akasa if a phone na or your vice president no not all day
oh no menage there's a meaning that say sabi video we isa to yaman penin off from no menage pa the musum bia asemi them a moment penin wa from
taxi here to me or your water.
But I am there.
Ninti, if you're my Yamaluko ya, if you're there, Queen, there was so but I was it.
Oh, but I am in the but I'm there.
Inti, I catch a walk out on a day, be Johnny taxi.
Oh, men can't change.
See the whole day, Juma.
It be but Mamma Tomedy.
My main share more chadra or your massing beside Ochado crying. O feed there the man semi scene. I won't know him, mammy, no one intimated and origin is gonna be.
Oh, a memby. Offer him a tank of mam cry. No, sir, a mum fish.
Or fill it with tank no more fish.
Yeah.
Uncle, see, I am a impa baby won't to me. I am a drummer. I am a impa baby who went to me. Mother was say, Yammy,
but there, Obibiasi, 50. president, I can the vice, I can all the presidents of all Ghana here now. Will be UTV, OKFM, all the stations, within all the stations, do be BRC. Doya, what the other man.
That's a Bebre and Kwesi. So that is Kwesi Akon, the taxi driver. Obviously, if you're watching GTV this morning, you can see the taxi. It is the exact one by which I'm standing. And he doesn't even own the taxi. The taxi belongs to somebody else. Yet this man did not see that 8,400 cedis in his car as his fortune to go out and spend. Instead, he returned it to its rightful owner. And it is testament to being a Christian, he said. Indeed, he doesn't even have to reiterate that. I can see and say that for myself. I asked him to tell me what happened on the day when he found the money. He does night service. He got a cab, a drop-in from Malata to Teshin. He picked the passenger, dropped her off, picked other passengers. But just when he was coming to the end, he found the money, and the smell with the money told him that indeed it belonged to a particular person. He told his wife about it. His wife said, no, this doesn't belong to us. Even though you found it, it doesn't belong to us. You may have to return it. Indeed, he went by himself, not in the company of his wife, and returned the money to its owner. For me, this is genuinely worth commending. This is Keep an Eye coming to you from Cantonment with the famous taxi driver in Ghana today. Coming back to you in the studio, Kafui.
All right, Alan, we have a couple of questions for you from my panel. Reverend Dr. Lawrence Teta has a question to ask.
Before I even say that, I want to say I'm happy to.
Okay.
I'm happy to support him in a way. Okay. If he's going to buy a new car, whatever he gets now, we can help him with the difference to get a good car. This is a moral story. These are things we need for Ghana. This is not a greedy person who is want to hash at the back of somebody's expense. And so I'm happy to support him. Things like that. No, I'm happy.
Thank you so much.
I will support him financially to see how whatever he gets. But also I want to recommend that the vice president should not just send a message, should meet him physically, shake hands with him. President should shake hands with him. Former president should shake hands with him. People should let him go. He should go to President Kufuor's house. He should be hosted. These are the things that he will take pictures with, and it will encourage others. We should let our leaders. So it should not be. I'm happy with what the vice president has done. Truly, he can go there. And I think the vice president will be more than happy to receive him. We will also receive him here. Kafu, if you can arrange for us next Thursday, myself and Sheikh will host him. But I'm happy to support him, whatever he has as a difference, to buy a new car that is durable. That will be an example for people. And we should not forget to congratulate his parents and for good upbringing. These are moral things. The wife and all the people around him has helped in him doing the right thing. And this is what we need as a nation. Kudos, wow, I'll support you to buy a new car.
Thank you so much. I'm sure Alan will tell him pretty soon. But Sheikh, any message for the young man?
Oh, the young man. Alan. I can't offer tonight. Now, Papa, no.
Yes, I'm here.
Papa, why hasn't it been son? Jimsa was the watch is an eye. Now, even a cranshare and our pet also my knee uncle for driver for them. Do why? Bisan.
Madase, I'll pass it on straight away. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm Empress, you must hear this too. Say him, Reverend Dr. Lawrence Tete. Also, make a child pay there. Bibiara areas there, they got a taxi. Ma inye bi order solo, not on.
Yami shed, papa. Yami, I can say. Yami, also, Isha, for then as
Ibiomuso, also, make a child there, or Pede, or you share a yim in a yim. Inti, or China, another, oh, okay. Well, you better share the number, so or you'll be share. But ideally, you'll be GTV. No sort of then.
Okay, no problem.
If he mbocho inyim Sheikh Arim Yao,
Chief
Imam, this spokesperson. Okay. Osi, I can find him. Wa tona kumim. Oye ni dopa. na ma wo menyen opede ohwede ebe ne nkranhyesam na edzere ma wo nuanum taxi fo usande wadari ayi oyada wode ye nyina yesua bibi fim ebe nkranhyesam na edzeba ma taxi fo.
Oh, me there are some can say like obia driver bia like obi obi na do ne kama obo na ne and then only 10 at bokon of uncle back even okomo bi bia ampo unnem po hu obi na mpo at the wompa or say o then o 10 or people were location one kwa also odo more than or 10 go back.
Ankwesi easy mamimbi so wo mami no yo papa what I say
What I say
mpocho
what's one mfanyo eduna
Elmina mpocho afu bi na dada yeah, mean sure. And so, Kafui, that's it. I've passed on the message to him, and I've told him what Reverend Dr. Lawrence Tete and Sheikh Arumya Shaib has just told me, and I've passed it on. Hold on.
In term
Okay. So Kwesi has just said that anytime we want to get hold of him, we should go through Empress. We have Empress's details, and so we will share them accordingly. Reverend Dr. Lawrence Tete and Sheikh can be sure that we would make sure Kwesi comes to join us in the studio, and whatever there is to be done for him, we will all be sure that will be done for him and to him. This really, as Dr. Tete had said, is a moral thing that all of us must emulate. Thank you very much, Kafui. If you have any further interactions with us, I'm all yours.
Last question is from me. Ask Kwesi whether the number of his friends who have called him has increased dramatically since the breaking of this news.
Thank you very much, I will. Kwesi,